Hello and welcome to my So Different. Today I'm going to attempt to make a homemade cake. And for this recipe I'm going to use an egg. Oops. I'm going to use actually no egg because I'm trying to extend the egg. And then I'm gonna add some water to this. So I added the water and I'm just gonna mix the egg. Next I'm gonna add some oil. Give it a good mix. And then I'm gonna add baking powder. And mix it good. I like to add the little things to make sure that they get mixed in good. Because it's always the little things that make it fluffy or give it good taste and flavor. Speaking of which, I also have butter flavor, so I'm gonna add the butter flavor, and then I'm gonna add the vanilla. These are by Amazon Grocery, and the vanilla I'm gonna add, let's see, let me get this open. That looks good. Maybe a bit more. They always say add 3 teaspoons of vanilla, so I'm used to adding 3. Next, we're gonna add sugar. And you can add as much sugar as you want. And I'm just gonna add like half a cup. And then you mash up the sugar. And I'm gonna add about a cup of flour. And stir it in. And then you just want to continue mixing it until there's literally 0 lumps in here. Just get your oil and pour it into a pan. And you just grease it with like a paper towel. And then add more if you need to. And just preheat the oven and get your batter in. Just pour it in. You're going to scrape the bottom of the bowl. Just like that. And then you bake it until it's firm and can stick a fork in there and it comes out clean. And I'm gonna put this in like this. So this is how it came out, nice and golden. And thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. My Sunday Frump. Bye bye.